ETL, SQL, migration from various cloud to different cloud, and building lakehouse solution and using Azure's and Databricks or AWS solution. As a team, my spend as a head of the data, I spend most of time building data part, monitoring and mentoring the junior engineers, seniors, and team leads and under the my team. So basically, let me be real, without the right tools, it's not easy to, managing the teams, right? The first things, as you know, the 2025 is year of AI. So I would like to say the tool like Clouds and multimodal magics, GitHub Copilot, and Slick improvements of these tools are not just nice to have, but they are game changer for productivity. So I'm talking about 7 tools, which is game changer for the data. And so first tool, I'm talking of the Clouds. So Cloud, basically what I do when some junior engineer, I need to review the code. I just, Cloud, basically I when they submit PR, and for example, SQL, streaming, ETL, so I the first in the clouds and ask the optimization, bug fix, or any improvement. And then I generate comments, suggest efficiency fund as an alternative, or even the draft test case for SQL. For brainstorming, I will query how I will query. So basically, how to integrate Event Hub and Kafka. I just ask with the Databricks for real time, FX Forex data, and some outline a step-by-steps plan with pro and cons impact. So by doing this, I save up to 1 or 2 hours daily for reviewing, letting me focus on my management side or strategic plan for team. We have started catching more on edge cases. Earlier, I said the 20% of more, making our pipeline more reliable nowadays. So one thing keep in mind, AI always double check that your output AI can be correct. Sometimes it give you spelling mistakes, sometimes it go wrong. So always take. Second one is GitHub Copilot, you know. So if you go here, GitHub already said they can use Copilot, right? So that build with you. So they also integrated with AI and Copilot 2025 up to date. It has been my goal for primitive coding tasks, especially with the new ability to understand context and even suggest code from diagram. As someone who still code, hence it's like to having an extra brain for repetitive tasks. How I use daily in a VS Code, autocomplete SQL query for delta lake tables or PySpark transformation. I recent project I described a real-time injection from the segment and generate 70% of code having leaving me to tweak our governance rules. Impact, cut routine coding 40%, think time strategic steps like OKR KPI for team or junior love it too. It helped them to level up faster without a constant hand holding and supporting to them all the time. One thing keep in mind, it can suggest inefficient code for big data scales or always review the Spark optimization or something, right? The third one is very important is Tableau, right? So Tableau, if you see here, you can ask a lot of questions. It's like ChatGPT. So Tableau is query has we is a data access my team and more waiting for more query ad hoc reports with the 25 with enhanced the AI driven visualization. And it is simple. Our Power BI dashboard similar to our Power BI. So Tableau dashboard is very, very popular. Next thing is how do I use during the stand up? Non-tech stakeholder ask me things like how the scale up trained by reason. Ask that generate the chart instantly from our the goal layers, define layer. How I use prototype risk analysis view dashboard full ETL build. It also can source, reduce the simple query, bottleneck 50% empowering the team. Fourth one is data robot for auto AML, automated ML pipeline. So data robots automate the complex work model, building from the feature engineering, the you know deployment perfect for AI ML on call like the quality prediction. So you can see here how do we use. I feed accurate data sets from Databricks and prototype model with hyperparameter and tuning. For the recent risk of analyzed task, it compared to 10 plus algorithm in a minute, highlighting the best one for trending dashboard. So impact the speed up prototype 3x by 3x time, letting the iterate faster LLM and VIT models. On one thing, it is same, right? It's black box, so always, it's black box, so always inspect the bias and critical for finance data. Notion, this is the tool. I really love it. Notion is turned up, you know, daily notes structure into plan. 2025 upgrade additional better timeline generating and integration. How do I daily use my team roadmap, dump and bullet point in the lakehouse migration plan? It create milestone, assign the task, even the draft status reports. Organizing knowledge based on Azure policy preview impact boost the organization by 30%. This is the the numbers, but Slack's AI also we can use and Jupyter AI for notebooks. So other than that, I have some very special tool like Task Manager. I do to-do list, Notion, time tracker toggle, time tracker. I think this is I missed two time. Okay, weekly planner use flow savvy, daily time blocking use calendar. You can also go work monthly. Also, we have personal yearly task management Kanban system. AI support to coder cursor is really useful for cursor. AI support shortcut for everything. Very fast, beautiful browses arc. Yes, if you like my article, please. If you like the article, please follow up me here. Thank you for watching.